Bro, sis. You know, I keep saying this, but it's getting stronger and stronger and stronger. Your ex missed you. Your ex wants you back and is miserable without you. Remember what you told them before they left? Or when you kept giving them chances, right? How you told them you can't stand the thought of somebody else with their hands on you, and they went and cheated more because they knew it would make you upset, and they thought that they can leave you and go and find somebody else better than you. They thought they found somebody else better than you. Thought the grass was greener on the other side. But what do we say? You'll spend your whole life trying to find me, and you will never, ever find me in nobody else. They will never find you in nobody else. Not even 10% of you. Not even 10% of you. Not even 5. Why? Because people have no morals. People have no love in this world. None. We're the balance in this world. They call chosen ones for no reason. And I'm not saying that to, all puffed up. Y'all know I'm humble. Y'all know we humble. I tried to tell them. But no, they wanted to leave and break our hearts on purpose, and thinking that we would be stuck and running after them and never being able to move on. Now they realize that they were the liability. That they were the reason that we were stuck. They were the reason that we weren't progressing. As soon as they left, or we broke up with them and kicked them to the curb, then the ball started rolling. Then we were able to get our YouTube channels. Then the blockage was removed, beloved. The grass is never greener on the other side. Never. Never. It's a mirage. It's a trick of Satan to get you to leave what you got that's good, that's great. And believe me, they've went through a lot of people after you. They have. You know them. You know them. They were all downgrades. With the look of an upgrade. Some of them not even a look of an upgrade. They just did it to try to make you jealous and chase after them. They had to go take the pictures and post the pictures because it's all a game to them. It's all a game to them. But look, they lost at their own dang game. Sorry, I almost cussed. They lost at a game that they were playing by themselves. Lost the best thing that they ever will have. Ever will have. They lost it. Lost it. Look, some of y'all going back to the gym now. Look, I'm turning a little bit. Still just working on it. But I'm able to do that now, right? I wasn't able to do those things before. They always kept us insecure. Right? Checking people out in our faces. Eyes roaming in our faces. Just had to look. Had to feel here and there. Thought they found something better. Left the diamond going after a rock. After a rock. And now they realize what you said was true. That don't none of those people love them, right? Don't none of those people care about them. Don't none of them people want them to win. They just want to use them, right? Use them for their bodies, use them for their money, or whatever substance they have. Use them. That's it. And that's exactly what's happening right now. They're being used. 10 times as worse as they used you. Did we not say that? Did we not say that? Damn ego and pride. Ego and pride to have you alone and lonely and with nothing and no one for the rest of your life. And I mean for the rest of your life. You see these older narcissists, the older ones that never changed, who are old, yeah, they die alone because nobody wants to deal with them. They die alone. Not even their kids want to deal with them or take care of them. They die alone, lonely and miserable. It's sad, but it's they did it and they do it every time. Every time. It's like those demons won't allow them to think rationally. Like they never think, they don't have foresight. They never think into the future. They can't. They don't think like, oh wait, if I do this, maybe this will happen. Or they don't even weigh the options out. They don't even weigh the options out, beloved. They just take the first thought and they run with it. That's it. That's it. So damn irresponsible. So irresponsible. I'm telling you, a child does that. Even children have second thoughts, third thoughts. These people are on a one track mind, playing a game with themselves. And then wasting the only chance they had to come back. Wasting the only chance they had to come back, playing a game. Now God got new people coming in for us that will love us, that will cherish us, that will respect us, that will protect us. I mean, protect us, beloved. Just think of having somebody that's even more attentive than you are. Even more attentive than you are. That you don't even have to. Them looking at somebody else or taking their attention to somebody else doesn't even cross your mind because you know that they're for you. They're for you. They're not competing with you. They're not secretly jealous of you because they have their own talents. They have their own beauties about them. You guys are a power couple walking together. Not one in front, way up in front of the other, acting like they don't know this one. They're going to spin forever, going in circles and watching you, wishing, having their shoulda, coulda, wouldas, but never did. Never took the chance, never took the opportunity, never took the blessing that God sent them right in front of their face. Hello? Right in front of their face. Like, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. But yeah, God is sending you guys. I'm telling you. And you know, your spouses already know who you are. They already know who you are. Most of you who have spouses waiting on you, waiting on each other, they've already been watching you. They already watch your channel. They've already been checking you out. They've already been fantasizing about y'all being together. I'm not talking about that type of fantasy, not no sexual. I'm talking about fantasizing being together. Like they're excited about meeting you. They're excited about just a life together. They're excited. They're waiting on you. Like 2023 is about to start. That's the year of our blessings, our manifestations, miracles upon miracles. All year. Think about that. Non-stop. And these people have to watch and be mad at themselves because it wasn't our fault. We loyal. We was loyal. Were we perfect? No. But we were loyal and faithful. Faithful. When people think you say, "Oh, I'm loyal," that means that they think that means that you're gonna stay around and just put up with anything because you're nice, because you're kind, because you're loving. That's the most stupidest thing you can ever think. If somebody's nice, kind, and loving, apparently the people they've dealt with before was fake, just like them, fake. So they thought that they can do it again and keep us in their back pocket. Not so. Not so. Not so. They didn't even know us, beloved. They didn't even know us. Not at all. Not at all. God hid our value from them. Why? Because God knew their hearts. He already knew what they were up to. God heard the conversations that we didn't hear, the secret conversations, the secret planning. God heard it all. All of it. He had to remove them. Had to. Had to. I know how hard it was for me to, to let it go after God. The first time he told me, God was telling me for a minute too. Like, get away from him, break up with him, get away from him. I'm like, God, why? Just give me a chance to change. Break up with him, you better get away from him. I had to make myself. I had to force myself. Right? I had to keep finding things and keep, doing my Inspector Gadget. I had to keep on because I had to force myself to. Right? I had to kill that what do I want to call it? That want for them. I had to kill that want for them. Because after as many things that I saw, as many different bodies, as many different bodies they had their mouths on, and all that disgusted me and turned me all the way off. That's what did it for me. That's what did it. The fact that they were so willing to put their mouth on this person and this person and that person and this person and that person and this person and this person and this person. Disgusting. It turned me all the way off. And that's what did it. That's what did it. That's what did it. That's what did it. I was like, ain't no way in hell. No way. Like, it blew my mind. Blew my mind. I did not know a person. Blew my mind. Blew it. And now they're upset. Now they're bad. Heartbroken. Remember, they didn't feel the heartbreak that they were putting on us. Right? They didn't feel it. They took pleasure in it. Now they're feeling it. Times 10, though. Times 10. I'm talking about Heartbreak Hotel. Alright? They're feeling it times 10. Then all the extra stuff they did, slander, the making memes about us and putting pictures and googly eyes on us. Did all that extra stuff. All that extra stuff. I bet they feel like straight up fools now. Straight up fools. Trying to be with us in secret. In private. But to the world, they out there single. They doing sing. That's why I could never get I hated what I used to go out all the time. I'm like, why do you do all this single stuff and you're in a relationship? But you do single stuff every week. It was obvious something was going on. Obvious. But yeah, beloved. Your new men and your new women are checking you out from afar. Alright, some of you got connections with them already. In the spirit. Y'all can talk back and forth. Have conversations, hear each other. Connected in each other's dreams. All that. All that. That's your what, twin flame? Wait a minute, no. I think these last ones were twin flame. Yeah. I don't know what this one's called, but it's called the one that you're supposed to be with. These last ones was twin flames. If you look at the characteristics of twin flames, yeah, it's always one that doesn't quite hack it. It's the one that does all the work, does all the loving and caring and stuff, and then the other one does this. They take. Don't give nothing. Not even a thank you. They give you fake I love yous, and that's only because you say it to them. That's it. You'll never hear them say I love you unless you say it to them. It's fake. Fake. Answer me this. Have they text you and said, hey, I love you? Just wanted to let you know I love you. Have they text you that since y'all broken up? Hey, I still love you. Not once, huh? Not once. That proves, like, they show the real colors. When they ghost and go no contact and stuff, they show the real colors. Because the person who really loves you, they can't stand not contacting you. They can't stand not, they can't stand not telling you, hey, I love you, here and there. They can't stand it. Because that person really loves you, right? They don't. They don't. It's all a front. It's all a game, right? It's all a mirror. All the stuff they gave to you that was kindness and niceness, it was a piece of the person they mirrored from the last person they were with. Plus, they were mirroring you. They were mirroring you. How you felt and acted towards them, they were mirroring it to you in the beginning. But a person that's wearing a mask can't hide that. They can't wear that mask too long. A fake person can't be fake, but too long, and then that mask starts to slip, and that real character starts to come out, and then you like, what? Who the heck is this person? That's who they really are. So, you ready, beloved? Because your Mr. Right, your Mrs. Right is right around the corner. Right around the corner. All right, love y'all. Peace.